StreetGrid.com.
So these are the wheels that were on it. And we got the split there, and I guess it clamps around this bead. I don't really know. These are the older tube type. Like I said, they're not in horrible shape, but there's a lot of cracking around the bead, enough that it blew the hell out. You can really see all the cracking there. So I got them switched out. These are 15-inch wheels. Hopefully none of you are in this same boat. These are 825/15, and the conversion, if you want to keep the open face wheel, is a 17.5. So they're back on here now. They're a lot shorter overall, but I don't think it'll be an issue. I think it'll just make it a hair easier to load the Traco. But 16 ply, brand new, not split wheel. They're solid rims, so hopefully I don't have any trouble, and if I do, I can find a tire shop that's not afraid of them. Now I just got to wash the Traco and get her ready to load so we can go put a thumb on and knock some trees down.
Last night we let the liquor talk.
All right, so it's king of bad ideas. We've got the thumb that we're gonna try to put on the 312. See the manual thumb up here. It's on it right now. The new thumb's in this box. I'm gonna attempt to get it out of the truck and onto the trailer without killing myself or messing anything up too bad. So what I've done is I've taken a good old heavy-duty lifting strap on this end, and then on this end got a ratchet strap, and I really can't think of a better use for a ratchet strap than lifting things. There might not be another use. The only thing I feel good about right now is the odds of this not working. So we're gonna see what happens.
Yo, 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 yo. I say still I stand. Hey, it's shouting here I am. Hey, never had you seen in your lifetime a more divine southern rapper with a swag like mine.
All right, to my crane operating buddies out there, I would call that perfect execution. I expect nothing but positive feedback from you guys. No taglines, you know, not a shackle used, toe straps only. Landed her right up here. Did it sit down in there? No, because it's sitting on a tire. But it's not going nowhere. See, no further than the ground anyway. It's good. Got the 312 loaded up. Finally, still needs a bath. Do that tomorrow. Need to put the new windshield in it, but not worried about it yet. She'll be off in the morning to the 4M Ranch. That emergency light bar up there really helps. You can put it on a solid light and really helps light up back here. When you're chaining this thing down, you got the new thumb up in there. So like I said, we'll be off in the morning to the 4M Ranch. He's gonna help me get her put on, and then we'll be going down the road from there to do some tree work with her. We made her. The excavator still needs a bath. Got the man himself here to drive these pins out. You gonna say anything, Mater?
I'll wait till we get these up.
We're not saying nothing yet. It's windy as hell. Windier than hail.
Kind of time, but smile like I'm fine. Brag with such passion to shine without trying. Believe me, pain's a small thing to a giant. I was born without a dime. Out the gutter, I climb. Spoke my mind and didn't stutter one time. At least even the greatest gotta suffer sometime. So I huff and puff rhyme. Lyrics so sick with it, set the standard.
Making my YouTube video. Trent's waiting on me. Need to change this damn windshield. It's game time. What do you think, Mater? Game time?
I do. Look, I finally got fucking Bobcat corporate. I like it.
Cool, you ruined my video. I said game time?
What?
Game time?
Yeah, game time.
Damn, you timed that one perfect. Picking the dually up off a job. She's been sitting here a few days while we've been in the Traco and semi trying to get the thumb on. But yeah, she's still, holy. Morning. Anyway, yeah, she's still here. Spiderwebs on her. Nobody took her.
Yeah. Tell her BB's thing, yeah? Yeah. My side girl got a 5S with the screen crack. Still hit me back right away. Better not never.
Getting some welding done with the old 4M. Oh! Watch out, that'll get you.
I think you're getting saved. Trying to show the dogs brighter days. Got a torch trying to light the way. Biting everybody with your side right.
We got us a pit dug. Do your customer a favor and separate the dirt and the topsoil. Takes 2 seconds. Strip off some soil and throw it over there so when you top dress it, it you know, will actually grow grass. Anyhow, we're gonna light her off. Motter's got his wick. He was supposed to mix some diesel and gas. He ended up adding no diesel, as you can see. Plenty of gas. We went real heavy on the gas. What do you think about your mixture? 60-40. 60-40? Yeah, I'm going 90-10. I don't know if there's any diesel in there. She's hot.
Next album probably won't ever see the light of day. Have fans, but you let them down. But I guess that's how you niggas getting down. I'm so high up, I'm like, how niggas really getting down? I could never have a kid, then be out here still kidding around.
That's a wrap. We're shutting her down.
Where you really wanna take it now? I got $150,000 for an after party, and I gave it to the killers just to break it down. Bring us up, I never take us down, but if you bring me up, then they might take it.
No more fire. Plenty of dust, but no more fire. Well, by God, we got her wrapped up. Only blew one hose, blew no tires. That was a stupid thing to say. I got a long ways home. But so far, so good. She is ready for the road. That ain't going nowhere. Morning.
Evening.
Close enough.
Remember everything we said, but we said it all. You told me that you wish I was somebody you never met. But baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way it was our last night. I kissed your lips, make you grip the sheets with your fingertips. Last bottle of Jack, we split a fifth. Just talking about life, going sip for sip. Yeah, you know you love to fight, and I say shit I don't mean, but I'm still gonna wake up wanting you and me. I know that last night we let the liquor talk. I can't remember everything we said, but we said it all. You told me that you wish I was somebody you never met. But baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. Outside of Knoxville, heading by some dogwood trees. She tried talking with my accent. We held hands and waded into that blue water. She left her flip-flops by my Red Wings on the beach. Yeah, but now I'm dodging potholes in my sunburned Silverado, like a heartbroken desperado, headed right back to my roots. Something about the way she kissed me tells me she loved Eastern Tennessee. Yeah, but all I brought back with me was some sand in my boots.
Here she comes.
Gold records on my sheetrock. Not bad for a boy from Mississippi. Yeah, I could buy a Maybach, but I'm still in my F-150. And my last name is a whole lot bigger than I thought it'd be. A lot of things changed, except one thing, me. I'm still the same old redneck fuck, don't give a damn. Ain't afraid to throw a dead buck on my Instagram.